This testimonial is brought to you by #Score, Marketing Division, Sufi Guidance
My
Channel,
son
YouTube.
XYZ is going to attempt for his driving test for the 3rd time tomorrow. In previous 2 attempts he failed. LOL. A virtual dhakka at this point from you would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, Kadwali Baji. मेरा short जवाब to the point. Read Bismillahirrahmanirrahim into 6000 times in morning before he goes. पास हो जाएगा. ये मैं दिखा सकता हूँ ये मैसेज, क्योंकि ऊपर बच्चे का नाम है जो कि मैं दिखाने नहीं मांगता. ये देख लो. और ये है मिरेकल बिस्मिल्लाह का. अब इसके बाद जो है अभी फेसबुक पे उन्होंने टेस्टिमोनी डाली है जो मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट उतारी है. ये रही. Alhamdulillah he passed. Yay. And not just him but the other 2 guys who were with him in the car also passed. Laugh out loud. Now we don't have to drive him around. All we need now is to get him a car with Shahji's blessings. नंबर देख के लीजिएगा, 5-7 की मत ले लेना, वैसे भी न्यू ड्राइवर.